TurboXS turbo back exhaust, and it's not too loud, but you know, it's like an older guy exhaust. Not too loud, not too quiet, just right. But we got a good one. You guys will see. We are back in the garage. We're about to get the 05 STI on jack stands, and we are installing a new exhaust today. We got a sick one. We got a Tomei exhaust for the 05 Legend. Yes, sir. We got a good ass deal on Facebook Marketplace. This thing is clean. Right now we have a TurboXS exhaust on the car, and it's pretty nice, but it's just a little quiet. It has a muffler, and then it's resonated back there. So this exhaust is definitely gonna be louder. So I'm gonna get the car up on jack stands, and it's cooling off right now, and we're gonna get straight to it. I got the Evo out of the garage, pushed it back, made some room, and now we're ready to get to work. Well, it was going to be an awesome day. It really was, but I have some bad news. I have some really bad news. Unfortunately, we will not be installing the Tomei exhaust today because this exhaust was rigged over here. So that is the downpipe, and they did a piece over here, a custom piece, a shitter piece, probably to get rid of the resonator or something. Well, the resonator's right there, muffler's right there. So it's essentially a one-piecer from the downpipe. So I can't even connect the Tomei exhaust to this thing. Damn. So I need a new downpipe if I want to install the Tomei exhaust. Sick. Wow. It is the next day, and we are on our way to the muffler shop, and we're gonna see if we can unrig the rig. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we can get this exhaust on the car today. We're gonna find out. Let's go. So right now we have a TurboXS turbo back on the car with the downpipe, and it has a resonator and a muffler and another muffler at the end. So I mean, but the downpipe's catless because that's where the rig part is in the downpipe. They took out a cat from the downpipe. So we're gonna see if we can unrig this exhaust so this thing can be a little bit spicier, a little bit louder. It's gonna be nice. Let's go. We're over here at MXPI tuning, and we're gonna try to get this exhaust on the car. So hopefully it's gonna be a good day. I have a feeling it's gonna be a good day because we have everything we need to get this done. So we just gotta get the weld done, and we're gonna be able to get this thing on here. All right, we're pulling her in. We're about to unrig the rig. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's a cool shop over here, MXPI. Our first time here. MXPI tuning. I'm gonna get this thing straightened up. We're gonna get the exhaust on there. Let's go. I think they're stance boys over here. All right, here we are at the shop. We're attempting to unrig the rig. So this piece over here, yup, my guy over here is laughing, but it is true. This piece over here was welded on over here, and they got rid of the cat on the downpipe, and we essentially had to cut it out to get it to fit again because we tried to cut it at the where it bolts over here to the new exhaust, but it's just, it wouldn't line up. So essentially we have to do two welds now over here, and we got to do a fill piece over here so it lines up nicely. So, well, we're getting it done. It's not perfect, but it's going to be, right?
Oh yeah, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe.
Yes, sir. Are you guys stance boys over here, would you say? Stance or
You know what? We're in the middle of everything.
Middle of everything, right?
We do a lot more track than stance.
So make it look good and make it work good.
Yeah, pretty much.
Perfect.
Make
All
it
right.
work right before it looks good.
Hell yeah. That's dope. Well, this thing's gonna be loud. So this thing's gonna be loud because this is essentially catless. It's all catless now till the Tomei. So it's gonna be rowdy. So we'll get a sound clip here shortly.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
The exhaust is back on and definitely louder. That's sick. Oh, that looks so good. Oh. Just listen to that, rev it, yeah. That's so sick. Damn. Hell yeah. Man, that sounds good. Hell yeah.
What do you think? Way louder?
Dude, I don't think you can get any louder than this except for equal length headers.
Right, yeah.
Then it would get really loud.
Because it's got the stock headers right now.
Yeah.
Oh man, it looks so good. It pops now.
We're back in the car. We got the exhaust on, and right away there's a huge difference. Oh man, I can hear the turbo spool now. Oh, it's so good. So good. Wow. Man, it is so much better. So good. It's definitely a lot louder and a lot better. The new setup is super dope. 3K right there. Oh man, I could barely hear this thing on the fucking previous exhaust. Like 3.5K, it just gets that, it gets a little raspy, like raspy good though. Right there. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. 5th gear, not too bad. Downshifts now. Woo. You can't beat it. The Tomei exhaust, full titanium, man. Because the downpipe is essentially catless. It's a catless downpipe now. Tomei all the way back. with a muffler. Oh man, I love it. I'm still at that age where I do like the loud shit. Not always, but I still like the loud shit. I will get a good sound clip over here from this light. It's so good. Get one more at this light. We're gonna call it there. I gotta get my ass to work. That rasp from 3.5K kind of like gives you that little rasp. It sounds mean. Alright, that's it for today. I'll catch you guys up in the next one. Peace out.